Hey everybody, it is Hannah from the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and I wanted to show you a new class to go kit that we have from 49 and Market using one of their newest lines. Remembered one more thing I wanted to grab. So this is using the Vintage Artistry Nature Study line, and it is a mini book. It's also using some of their newest create your own mini books that they just did, and then also their spiral notebooks right here. So this is a book that I have made. Janine taught it. Janine is the owner and one of the designers for 49 and Market. She taught this class to retailers, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I love the concept. So what she did is she started out with two of the spiral notebooks and then one of the binders. And her new binders, and all her other ones too, I shouldn't say just her new ones, they come empty. And then you can kind of do your own thing in them, which I love that she does that. And again, this is one using the Vintage Artistry Nature Study. You will get everything that you need to complete the book in your kit. So you're going to get the book, you're going to get the washi tape, you'll get the ephemera, you're going to get the papers. But I wanted to kind of flip through just quickly. This is going to be taught in a Facebook group. And by taught, I mean we will go through each page and kind of where you're going to place things on those pages. There are no hard techniques in this class. There are no spines to create, no signatures or anything like that. You are basically decorating these super fun, super cute little spiral notebooks. This one I haven't even glued in yet, but just to kind of show you, they are just in your book. So I'll be doing that kind of a little walkthrough in a Facebook group. There are also written and color instructions that will be available in that group as well. So that is just a quick little jump through of the book. Again, you get everything you need to create the book: embellishments, rub-ons, all the little tickets, the flowers, the washi tape that is used. The only thing you will need to provide would be a little bit of string if you want to put twine on your tags, and then also, of course, your adhesive, and then any ink if you want to do ink blending. But everything else I will have in that class kit for you. Class kits are also up on the website already. I will also post this video to the website as well, so you can see the little walkthrough on there. And then class kits are going to be $58.99. They should start to ship next week. So if you would like one of those, you can either give us a call at 812-482-4949. You can go online and pick up your class kit there, or you can stop in and register and pre-order yours. Once we've got your payment, then we will send you the link to the Facebook group, and we will get you accepted into that and get you started on putting your awesome little book together. And if you're playing along with Summer Bingo, here is your bingo number for this video. All right, guys, thanks so much. Again, I am Hannah from the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and this was a quick little look at one of our newest class kit-to-goes using the 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Nature Study to create this fun little mini book. All right, thanks, guys.